What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Happy Monday. Today is Monday. I hope y'all having an amazing day today. Oh, your girl's skin is flourishing, and I really don't even do much to my skin, y'all. People be asking me like, oh, what you put on your skin? Your skin looks so nice without makeup, you know. Then your skin be looking so clear. Y'all, I don't really do much. I just clean it half of the time and that's it. But happy Monday, y'all. We about to go to the gym. Let's work out. Let me see what I got in my gym bag. Should I buy my gym bag that I've never opened? Like, what?
Oh, I need a spoon.
Right, you break it great.
Yeah, you can put some on there. That's fine.
It's in your
Alright.
What's up, y'all? Hey, y'all, your girl is headed to another client this morning. This is not even this morning, it's the afternoon. I went to the gym today, y'all. Okay, I think they did give consent for social media content, so I probably will pick up the vlog camera to go inside. Y'all, the end result, this should be an easy style, shoulder length, braided. So braided hairstyle with their natural hair, or maybe some beads or something like that. I'm always super excited to meet my first client because, like I said, you never know what to expect with them. But one thing about it, I go in, I be me. I'm just me. I'm naturally a good person, a naturally good energy, good vibes. The kids love me, so I'm just going in being me. I don't have to be nobody else, so that's why it just flows so naturally for me. I hope y'all having a blessed Monday. They pray for people, pray for the people around you. That's because people don't broadcast what they're going through and what they're dealing with. That doesn't mean they're not going through nothing physically. That they'll never give people that expectation, like, because you just never know what people are going through. And like I said, I hold things very well, so I try my best to deal with it within my own self and let God handle it, because I already know, like, it's only so much that I can do myself. So I don't, you know what I mean, I don't wear it on me, or I don't broadcast certain things. But I did say I'm gonna talk more, do more little vlogs. Make sure y'all follow me and subscribe. I'm gonna do more vlogs, talking and just expressing myself and letting y'all in a little bit more, because like I said, I don't let people in, and that'd be a hard thing for me too. But I just be being me. At the end of the day, this is how I've always been my entire life. I just be in my shell. I just don't let people. It's like when you grow up not letting people, like, in your, knowing your full, like, your capacity, like everything about you. It's kind of hard when you're an adult to really, like, just open up. But I do open up, y'all, because look, I wrote a book. If y'all didn't know, y'all caught my book. Get my book. It's on Amazon. It's on stylistkenna.com. I have my books on me. I sell my books more on me than I do online. Don't hold people accountable. Well, hold people accountable, of course, but don't put too much expectation on people just because a person ain't do certain things. You just never know. And a lot of people don't know how to express certain things, so don't just jump the guns. It's okay to be like, oh, okay, to move accordingly, but don't, like, move off the emotions and, like, saying mean things or just being evil and spiteful just because you just never know. Like, one thing about it, things circle back around. What you bring out and what you do, things come back around. So just be mindful how you treat people and the things you say. But anyways, I love y'all. I'll see y'all when I get to my client. I just got to my client and I asked her how did she hear about me, and she stated she found me through Nayeli's mom. Good morning, y'all. This is the outfit of today. Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I got my hair in a bun. Y'all excuse the background. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and show y'all. I gotta just put my shoes on. I got a deep condition and I got brown socks on, y'all. So I gotta do a deep steam condition and knotless mid back. So I'm gonna have a full long day today, but I'll talk to y'all in the car. Y'all, so this is dinner. But tonight I got the jalapeno tacos. Y'all, these are so good. Like avocado sauce, some lettuce, onion, tomatoes, bell peppers, jalapenos, sour cream, and ground turkey. It looks so good. I'm about to chow down. So y'all, good morning. Happy Monday, y'all. We are up and early. I got me a ponytail. Yeah, I bought this little clip ponytail from Amazon. I don't know. I got mixed feelings about it. It's not like giving what it needs to give. I clearly asked. Did I show y'all? People just threw away. I really don't even like Wendy's. I'm sure for fresh potato wedges. I asked them, was this the frost drink? Talking about the cold brew. I said, is it the frost? She was like, yeah. And it's nothing but an iced coffee that I really didn't want. Because I had my Bloom. But I don't want to really waste it like that. I had got this sandwich the other day, y'all. And it was actually really good. There was a car behind me. They wouldn't even blow. They just sat there and let me sit there. Headed to my first client. I got 2 clients there. My first client getting knotless. Second client was getting style. Anywho, I'm gonna get some gas, finish eating my breakfast, head to my clients. I'm 30 minutes away from my client. And I might pick up the vlog camera, show y'all her hairstyle in the process, but I'm really trying to get in there, start, and get done because I got another client afterwards. And yeah, the time is the essence at this point. But I'll talk to y'all later. But y'all, I was headed to made it to my client, and the little girl wasn't even at home, y'all. The mama wasn't even at home. The brother was there. And I'm like, he was like, but she's on the way. I'm like, okay, cool. He like, she like literally right around the corner or whatever. Then he said a few minutes, he go back and then he come back and he was like, they haven't even left yet. I don't even know how long they gonna take to get here. I'm like, really? I was like, cause I have another appointment and you know, time is at the essence. And then he was like, and then her previous style didn't even take it down. I was like, oh no, this ain't gonna work. I got a 4 o'clock and I don't want to be late for my 4 o'clock because I'm always like pushing her back and I don't want to be like, keep doing it. So I was like, no, it ain't gonna work. I am not gonna be able to do her takedown. She got too much hair. She got knotless. I'm not gonna have time to take her hair down, wash her hair, blow dry her hair, and redo knotless. So I texted to mom. I was like, hey, you know, hope all is well. The son didn't really say too much. Like my mind, I'm like, I hope everything's okay. You know, it was just surprising. Okay, call your baby. You know, it's a lot when you're traveling to people's houses and they're not home and they don't even let you know nothing. So it just put a toll on me, and it also put a toll. Call your baby. All right, y'all, I'm back. But anyways, long story short, I texted her and told her like, hey, you know, da-da-da. Time went on, like she never responded or anything like that. Then she wound up calling me. She was like, oh my God, like I didn't even know my daughter wasn't at home. She was supposed to be at home. She was like, she would be there. I would get her there in 10 minutes. Can you be there? I was like, but your son also stated that her hair is not taken down. I have a 4 o'clock. It won't work out, like with me taking it down and stuff like that. Now, if I didn't have a client after her, it would have been fine. But being the fact that I had another client, I just wouldn't be able to do it. She was just like, oh my God, I'm finna send you something for your time, and if you got anything come up before our trip, because they going on the trips. And I was like, dang, that's also too was in my mind. I knew she was going on a trip, so I'm thinking like, I know she need her daughter hair done before her trip, and I don't have no more appointments, possibly tomorrow, but I'm not for sure what time. It's through a friend that I know. But I told her she's gonna have to book on the website because I need to be able to have my times, you know, things put in my system. But kept saying she's sorry. She was like, this is not how I operate. Please just forgive me. Like, it won't ever happen again. She was like, I'm still paying for your time. Y'all, when I say she blessed me, then she texted and said, this is just for today. If you can come tomorrow, I will pay you for tomorrow too. What? Y'all, I was not expecting to get blessed like the way she just blessed me. Y'all, this is the same parent who blessed me way before, if y'all remember, in the previous vlog, maybe 2 vlogs ago. This the same mom. Heck, I'm like, oh, here I am thinking like, oh my God, this is the second time I done pulled up a client ain't ready, ain't home. Like, am I finna have to real full force these deposits? Y'all know I'm like not a deposit person, but after the first appointment that's failed or been canceled, an appointment will be required a deposit up front. Y'all, this lady blessed me. Like, she ain't called, and her son really didn't say much. I'm just like, is people really just taking my time for granted? Like, that's what I was thinking. Like, dang, like, I'm gonna have to really enforce a deposit because people are not taking my time seriously. Where you treat people. I wasn't upset with her. I didn't come off with her ill. I didn't say, like, you got me coming here and I came to your house and gas and you not home. Like, I was calm. I talked like, hey, I'm just, disappointed. Like, she was like, I'm disappointed too. But y'all, it just show y'all, like, give people grace. I understand things happen. We busy. I understand that. Like, give people grace. I say it all the time. Give people grace. You never know what people are going through. Like, it startled me for a minute, but at the same time, I still kept my peace. And I'm just so thankful, y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna take my daughter to Target. Things just work out anyway, because I was gonna do something for her and I just wanted to chill yesterday. I didn't want to do nothing, but we finna run some errands, and then I got a 4 o'clock client, like I said, and then we're gonna get this show on the road back to her house tomorrow. Okay, so y'all, we are in Target, and what we getting? Well, we finna try this swimsuit on that she wants. Oh my gosh. What the hell, look blind or something in the back? I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna try this on and see what we can come up with. So y'all, I got my matcha, and I ain't getting nothing to eat from Starbucks. I just went and got me some egg rolls, the vegetable rolls from Panda Express. But I got my matcha. The banana matcha. With the extra caramel crunch at the top. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. I see that. Alright, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm about to head to do hair, of course. This is the fit. I got some white forces with this 2-piece. It's like really cute. Or my hair in a cute little slick bun. I'm about to do a wedding, y'all. She didn't confirm consent for pictures and stuff, but we're gonna see what we can do. Try to wing out some little behind the scenes type stuff without showing her face to get some type of footage for y'all. Talk to y'all when I get in the car. Of course. Call y'all back. What's up, y'all? So I think I made it to the right venue. I see somebody right here with florals. And the GPS said I'm here, but it's like a lot of different buildings, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm at the correct building. But yes, y'all, I'm booked for a wedding, another wedding, of course. Wait for your little ones. Like, people been asking me, hey, do you come to Tennessee? Do you come to North Carolina? If I can get enough like people, I don't want to just come there. But if I can get, I have to figure out a way how to maneuver, like I have to at least, the money has to be talking, okay? You know what I'm saying? But if the money's talking, your girl is walking, okay? Not literally, but you know, we gonna get there. But let's go inside and see. I'll call y'all back.
Faster than